Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Magiraj here, and now we are going to get discuss about the PN junction diode as a rectifier. So how can we use this PN junction diode as a rectifier? So simply we can say that a process in which AC converts into DC. Okay, so this used as a rectifier. So it we can say that to the conversion of AC into DC is called rectification. Okay, so the process which converts AC into DC is called rectification, and the circuit whatever we used in this process, that is known as rectifier circuit. So here PN junction diode works as a half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So first of all, let me discuss here PN junction diode as a half wave rectifier. So whenever PN junction diode used as a half wave rectifier, then there will use a one PN junction diode in output. So let me consider this is the primary coil, and here applied some AC, and this is the secondary coil, and here attached a single PN junction diode PN in the load. Okay, so let me consider these are terminal of the secondary coil A and B, and here the single PN junction diode attached in this between the load RL, and here form the output. So this is input and this is output. So whenever a single PN junction diode attached in output load, so this combination or PN junction diode at this situation works as the half wave rectifier. So what will happen in the half wave rectifier? So let me consider this is the condition initially before rectifier. So AC will be in this form, and after the rectification, so in the first half cycle of AC, when A positive and B negative, ये फर्स्ट हाफ साइकिल है AC की. इन फर्स्ट हाफ साइकिल ऑफ AC, इनपुट AC की फर्स्ट हाफ साइकिल में जब A पॉजिटिव होगा B निगेटिव होगा, तो देखिएगा कि PN जंक्शन डायोड जो है ये इसका P एंड पॉजिटिव से कनेक्ट है, और ध्यान है जब P एंड पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट होता था तो PN जंक्शन डायोड फॉरवर्ड बायस में वर्क करता था. इट मींस करंट का फ्लो होता था. ओके, और नेक्स्ट जब नेक्स्ट हाफ साइकिल में इन नेक्स्ट रिमेनिंग हाफ साइकिल A नेगेटिव और B पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर करंट विल फ्लो, और जब ये अपोजिट हो जाएगा तो देखिएगा A नेगेटिव और B पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, तो अब PN जंक्शन डायोड का P एंड नेगेटिव एंड से कनेक्ट हो जाएगा, तो अब ये रिवर्स बायस में वर्क करने लगेगा और अब करंट का फ्लो नहीं होगा. ओके, सो यहाँ पर ये PN वर्क्स एज फॉरवर्ड बायस और यहाँ पर PN वर्क्स एज रिवर्स बायस. ओके, तो देखिएगा ये आफ्टर रेक्टिफिकेशन here simply we can say that, so whenever PN junction diode used as a half wave rectifier, then one or single PN junction diode attached in the circuit or output load. Okay, so in the first half cycle of the AC, whenever A positive and B negative, then its P end of the PN junction diode attached to the positive. Due to this, PN junction diode works as a forward bias and current will flow like this. First half cycle में current का flow होगा. अब in the next half cycle of remaining AC का half cycle हो चुका और बचा हुआ half है. So next half cycle of the AC, when ये terminal क्या हो जाएंगे, alternate हो जाएंगे, A negative and B positive. Then now P end, but in the next half cycle when A negative and B positive, then it works in the reverse bias and there will no current flow in the circuit. So here this is gap, and for the next half cycle current will flow, and in next no current will flow. In the same way current will flow in this way. So after rectifying, current will flow in this way. So current will flow in the sinusoidal form with continuously but slowly and slowly. So whenever it